Introducing the KL10 Mechanical from KitLock by CodeLocks. Durable, compact and easy to use, it's perfect for providing mechanical, keyless access to a variety of applications. The KL10 KitLock has been designed to be easy to install and simple to use. Install as new or as a retrofit to an existing application. The 4-digit code wheels provide up to 10,000 unique combinations. Once installed, a code can be set and changed easily without removing the lock from the door. For peace of mind, a master key is available separately for retrieving a forgotten code. The KL10 comes in a stylish black powder-coated finish, featuring an easy grip outer casing as well as locked and unlocked indicators. Offering private function only, the KL10 Mechanical is perfect for use in environments where the same code will be repeatedly used, for example on a personal locker. No more lost keys. Simple mechanical access control. The KL10 Mechanical from KitLock by CodeLocks.